Hi guys, how are you? So today we have the last box that I'm opening, but we have a lot of more videos. So if you haven't watched my videos, I'm gonna leave my last video below and I hope you keep on watching. We have today MACYS Beauty Box. This one is actually April 2018 and hopefully you like it. This one is a beauty box, usually comes with high prices things, but all are sample size. Sometimes I'm like not really happy with it, but at least you know, you get like samples that are high in value. So this one is $15 a month, and it usually comes with like a $5 or $10 coupon inside that you can buy from MACYS website. And because it's beauty related, it's usually free shipping. So let's open this bad boy. What I got. So it comes with this box, and then it has like this little brochure. Let's see how many. It says $5 off. Okay, and it tells you what you got in the box. Oh, this box I'm not that excited to open, but yeah, it feels like it's like from antique, something antique. It says be your own beautiful. At least it's not that bad. I mean, the worst bags that I think I get are the Sephora, but this one is not that bad. At least it's like big and spacious. You can put like bathing suit maybe. Let's see. All comes wrapped up like this. This month seems heavier, and I already see something that I like, and is this mask. This one is green tea mask sheet, skin purifying. It's not bad. I like it. So already there you probably have like $2-3. Let's see what else we have in this bag. Ooh, I see something crazy. Natural deodorant, a skin mitt, rose and vanilla, helps neutralize odor and absorb wetness. Smells like rose. Seriously, I like that it's all natural. I have to see how much this one is, because or else I can like start using it, like, you know, something different. We have the next thing is the Chorus Wild Rose Advanced Brightening Sleeping Facial, all skin types. This one is a weightless souffle that melts instantly into skin for intensive hydration and brightening, boosting with wild rose oil, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acids for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin by morning. How to use: after night cleansing ritual, applied to the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. So nice. It says 95% natural content, and they're methodology tested. So that's it. It's not a bad sample size. It's 20 milliliters. The next thing is a very small thing. Is a refreshing eye cream to brighten and depuff. We need it. It's Origins. It's usually really expensive brand. It's 5 milliliters. This one is refreshing eye cream to brighten and depuff cream. That's it. Nothing else. Doesn't seem too much information on this one. Then we have, I feel like I got this before, SPF 30 Face Koala Mineral Sunscreen Unscented Matte Tint Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Mineral BB Cream and Plant Protection. It says active ingredient titanium for external use. That's not bad. Then we have the next thing, which I'm confused what it is. Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. So it looks like this. Very like a little pocket, I guess. Let me open it, because it requires a scissor to open, of course. Okay. Oh, I see. So it's like this. Oh, and it comes like in little pockets. So it's not bad. Like a sample, pretty much. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. no no perfume this month. So we are celebrating Earth Day this April 22nd with natural ingredients that are just as friendly to environment as they are to your skin. We also have the check how-to videos, tips, and more at MACYS.com beauty box. We have the Chorus Wild Rose Advanced Brightening Sleep Facial, the 1.35 ounce, which this is what? Yeah, this is like half of that is, whoa, $48. So this is already like 20 bucks right here. Yeah. Let's see which. Yeah, it's like 20 bucks or something. Then we have the Origins Refreshing Night Cream to Brighten and Depuff, formulated with caffeine from coffee bean, Panax, ginseng, magnolia extract, and natural uptake brighteners. This eye cream helps to waken, refresh. So the 0.5 ounces. Okay, so this is like like less than half is $31, but it's still like $10 maybe, like that sample. So we already have like a $35 value. Then we have the koala thing. This one is mineral face SPF unscented matte tint, and the 1.7 ounce is 36 bucks. This is 0.17 fluid ounces, so it's not even like maybe $2 maybe. Then we have the this one, which rose and vanilla deodorant is $9, I guess, like for the whole stick to underarm for a few seconds to soften. So yeah, this is just a sample. Then Unreal, so the skin mask that we have here, this one, Unreal Sheet Mask Green Tea Skin Purifying, is paraben free mask with antioxidant rich green tea extract, helps purify, and it's $3. Nice. And then we have this thing that, I mean, it's just a sample. I cannot really determine the value, but like a full size would be $30. So this one comes in little samples of, does it even say? No, it doesn't even say. It doesn't say how much they are. But yeah, that's about it. I'm really happy this month. I mean, it came with a lot of things that basically I use on a regular basis. Not the brands, but things that could be brands that I potentially use. So I'm gonna look into these things. I like this. This is my favorite thing that I got. I think it's natural. It's cool. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you guys had a good Earth Day on this April 22nd. And I will see you guys later.